Alright guys, so this is TPCASTT. So what we're going to do in these videos is we're going to look at one row in each video to kind of keep them short and sweet. And then I'm also going to show you an example. So you should be on the how to make a title prediction video. So for T, title, this is our first part, you're going to, before reading the poem, examine the title. And then you're going to think about these couple of questions. What predictions can you make about the poem based on the title? What is your initial thoughts on the meaning or purpose of the poem based on the title? So pretty much we're going to predict. Okay, we're going to look at the title and we're going to make some inferences about what we think this poem's going to be about and just make some initial judgment calls. That's all we're doing. So let's go look. So here is our poem that we've been kind of looking at for the duration of our notes. So this is Identity by Julio Noboa Polanco. So identity. So what prediction can I make about this based on the poem? So it is about who he wants to be or is. So whenever I see a poem that has to do with identity, I always assume that it has something to do with whatever the speaker wants to be or doesn't want to be. So whether your initial thoughts or meaning of the purpose of this poem. So I'm going to think, for me, when I think initial thoughts and the meaning of the purpose, I automatically go to the meaning, which is more of my theme, like what I'm supposed to learn from it. So more than likely, it's probably gonna have something to do with coming of age or learning about who you are. And notice how there's no wrong answers for this. That's the beauty of this particular section, because it's just you using what you see. So unless you're way over in left field talking about, I don't know, ice cream and the poem's called Identity, I don't know where you could go wrong here. So it's mostly just based on what you think. Okay? As you can see, we're also going to kind of look at our TPCASTT template through here. You have this exact same template. All right, on to the next one.